Hello viewers, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Molly and I make videos about my life in Portland, festivals, makeup, travel, I guess, anything I really find interesting. I haven't made videos in a while, but I'm making this video to get back into it. And I have my hair done already. So I'm going to tell you the video is. I mean, you probably guessed from the title. First Rave Festival back makeup, or first festival rave back makeup, because it's gonna be super simple. I'm gonna cry, and I know I'm gonna cry, so I don't want to put on a lot of makeup, and I'm not that good at makeup. I'm just gonna start my makeup by using this Tartelette Tease. I don't even know if they make this anymore. Probably not. It's really old. It's disgusting right now because I just kind of keep it in my bag. So I can do my eyebrows. I use the Heartbreaker shade because it's brown and it kind of matches my roots, but my roots are a little blonde. This is actually the first time my hair has grown out this long for my natural hair since I was probably before I started bleaching it, because I would bleach it twice a year minimum, and I haven't bleached my hair in over a year. So if you look back at my previous videos, you can see my hair like super bleached. Yeah, I don't do that anymore. You can see where it's grown out to. I put my hair back, although it's looking kind of funky because my bangs are curled. I finished my eyebrows. It's probably the most boring part of your makeup because everyone does their eyebrows different. Everyone knows how to do their eyebrows since probably 2016. The Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation concealer in the shade Porcelain. The pump on this has been broken since I got it, so I just kind of open it and take my brush and like glow kit. It's a lot of these shades are a little darker for me, but I think that's good for festivals because might as well go out. I actually got this at Marshall's, and the Laura color was broken, but I just pressed it back with rubbing alcohol. Yeah, I'm gonna take Eclipse and just kind of put it there. Yeah, lightly. And then I'm gonna take Luna and put it in my inner corner, just like put it on there. Quite a bit because that's the inner corner of my eyes, and I'm already probably gonna be crying if I go to a festival. So might as well have my eyes already shiny. Now the next step is going to be gluing on face gems. I just kind of go to where the highlighter was and take a lash glue. I guess I got this duo kind. I'm not the best at using it. on my eyelashes, but I'm not that good at eyelashes. And I just kind of put it where you want your gems. I get my gems for my face at the dollar store. I'm not gonna lie, like the Dollar Tree. Go to there in the craft aisle, like the toy aisle, and there'll be these little bags of like gems. I've done a whole Rave bra with them. I use them for my face. Everything. These are the smaller sizes, the little ones. They're a little bigger than the teeny tiny ones everyone wears, but I personally like the bigger one. I'm failing at this. Okay. Attempt to put it on this side now. Oh, that was actually pretty easy. Okay. Got them on good enough. Taking my headband off. Wow. Who is she? Fix my hair. And then move on with to mascara. Honestly, I dropped my mascara. I was holding it in my waistband to warm it up, and it fell out, so it was on the ground. But I'm probably going to use a waterproof mascara. I need to get a new mascara because this one is gone. It's been probably a year and a month, and I think you're only supposed to use it for a year. No, 6 months. I need to get a new one. I got it last year for my birthday. I got this one, and my birthday is in 9 days. I turned 21. I hope you guys have a great day, and if you liked my video, hit subscribe down at the bottom, I think, and leave a comment. Tell me what you're looking forward to most at the next festival season. If it happens, do you think it's gonna happen? When do you think it's gonna happen? Are you gonna go to raves? Just let me know anything that you're excited for in festivals down below, and I'll see you in the next video.